Welcome guys back to my channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit this beautiful edge with roses. It's easy and has only one row to do. After that you may use a stockinette stitch or garter stitch. Look how beautiful it will look for the sleeves. You can also use it for the blankets or pillowcases. So you decide. For this border you will need to cast on any odd number. I'm going to cast on 11 stitches. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So any odd number. Now let's get started. Slip the first stitch. It's a selvage stitch. Now purl the next stitch through the front loop and pull a long loop along as long as you can. Now purl the same stitch through the back loop. Now again purl the same stitch through the front loop and always pull a long loop. Now purl again through the back loop pull a long loop, and the fifth time purl through the front loop. And when you have 5 loops, we do not count the selvage stitch here, drop the stitch of the left hand needle. Now with the tip of left hand needle, place them back in this way and right away knit it through the back loop and drop all 5 loops of the needle, and the rows is done. Now purl 1 and let's repeat again. So between roses you purl 1 stitch, purl the next stitch through the front loop and pull a long loop, then through the back loop, then again through the front loop, then through the back loop, and for the last time through the front loop. Now you have again 5 loops. Drop the stitch and with the tip of left hand needle pick up back 5 loops and knit it through the back loop, and that's what we have. Now purl 1 and let's repeat again. Try to pull your loop as long as possible. So purl through the front loop, then purl through the back loop, then purl through the front loop, back loop, and front looping again. Drop the stitch of the needle, pick up again 5 loops and knit them all together through the back loop. Purl 1. Let's do it again. Purl through the front loop, pull up a long loop, purl through the back loop, purl through the front loop, purl through the back loop, and purl through the front loop. Drop, pick up 5 stitches again, starting from the first one, and knit them all together through the back loop. Purl 1, and let's repeat for the last time. One, two, three, four, and 5. Drop the stitch of the needle, pick up back all 5 loops, and knit them all together right away. Drop and finish with salvage stitch. Just purl it. And that's what we have. Look at this beautiful border. Now I want to show you how it will look with garter stitch before I will show you how it looks together with stockinette stitch. So on the wrong side needle stitches and on the right side also needle stitches, and let's see. Knit and purl the last salvage stitch, turn, and here knit also, slip the first stitch, knit all other stitches, purl, and let's do one more row. Again knit all stitches. So that's how this border is looking with garter stitch and with stockinette stitch I did here. So I think it looks great in both options. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. If you're looking for more border tutorials, you can find it on my YouTube channel, and the written instruction will be always published on my blog. Please check link down below. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.